back when we had our scheduling conference in October 25th,
Yeah.
both parties acknowledged that there were no issues in dispute. What have you been doing, Mr. Wendling, to prepare the final paperwork in this case?
I sent it through the mail.
At 8:40 a.m. Plaintiff is not here.
Good morning, Ms. Carver.
Good morning.
Do you know why the plaintiff isn't here?
I don't. We are not actually allowed to talk or communicate. So I honestly don't know. I honestly didn't know what the court was for. I just know I had court.
Okay.
Today, in Judge Kirkham's divorce court docket, the first couple featured is totally over their marriage, in my opinion. Although one of them seems to be more over it than the other, if I had to take a guess, I would say it's the wife in this case. Let me know down in the comment section if you agree with me. And in the second case on the docket, the husband, who was set to finalize the divorce as the plaintiff, fails to appear in court. Has he had a change of heart? Will Judge Kirkham proceed in his absence, or will this absence complicate the resolution of their divorce? Stay tuned as Judge Kirkham navigates through these cases, aiming to bring resolution and closure to couples navigating the end of their marriages.
Ma'am, do you have a way to get him on the phone or something?
He's using his phone to be on Zoom.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh, wait, hold on. It looks like it took. Please unmute now, sir. Can you hear us?
Yep.
Okay, that took a long time, but you are Robert Wendling, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is 2023-2334 DM, Robert Wendling versus Caitlin Wendling. It is Wednesday, December 6th, 2023 at 8:46 a.m.
Good morning to both of you. I'll go to you first, Mr. Wendling. Back when we had our scheduling conference in October 25th,
Yeah.
both parties acknowledged that there were no issues in dispute. What have you been doing, Mr. Wendling, to prepare the final paperwork in this case?
I sent it through the mail.
Okay, send it to the mail to who?
To you guys, because the paper wasn't properly done right. So we finished it.
Okay. Well, you have to send it to the front of the court first. I don't know if that's where you send it or whatever.
He sent it to the front of the court and it was objected.
Oh, that's right. We do have an objection. That's correct.
Then I had to fix it for him.
Okay. And did it get resubmitted to the front of the court then?
He mailed it.
When did you do that, Mr. Wendling?
Last week.
Okay. Usually takes a couple weeks. So why don't we do this? Why don't we put this over for a couple weeks, for 2 weeks, and then hopefully we will have the approval, and then we can take the final hearing at that time. Are you available in 2 weeks, sir?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Wendling, if you approved it, you don't need to appear at that hearing, but you can.
Okay, I'm not, because I can't keep missing work. I don't get vacation time like he does.
Okay. Well, you don't have to appear. If you approve the judgment, then that's all that's necessary at that point. And then we just will take some testimony from Mr. Wendling, and that will be able to conclude it at that time. Any questions, Mr. Wendling?
No.
Ms. Wendling?
No.
Okay. Thank you. The court will end this matter then at 8:48 a.m. You're free to go. Have a good day.
Me too.
Yep, we will renotice for December 20th. Okay, very good. Can you hear us now, ma'am?
Yes, I can.
Okay,
Sorry.
all right. Okay, Judge, so this one is set for motion for entry, but I'm missing the plaintiff. She's the defendant. We have the consent orders. Are we able to take the proofs from her?
We can take proofs from her, correct?
Okay, then let me call the case, and obviously she will not have the script. This is 2023-1485 DM, Zachary McDonald versus Sierra Kerber. It is Wednesday, December 6th, 2023 at 8:40 a.m. Plaintiff is not here.
Good morning, Ms. Carver.
Good morning.
Do you know why the plaintiff isn't here?
I don't. We are not actually allowed to talk or communicate. So I honestly don't know. I honestly didn't know what the court was for. I just know I had court.
Okay. Well,
Wasn't sure if it was for child support or what, but I knew I
No.
had court. So
today it was the plaintiff's motion for entry of judgment in this particular matter. What I can do is I can take some proofs from you, some testimony, and then we can get it entered at that point.
okay.
Did you, okay. First, I'll have you raise your right hand and be sworn in.
Okay. Ma'am, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give shall be the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Ma'am, prior to filing this complaint for divorce by the plaintiff, had the plaintiff or you resided in the county of Calhoun and in the state of Michigan for more than 180 days immediately preceding the filing of the complaint?
I'm sorry.
Have
100
you,
how many days?
did you or did the plaintiff continuously reside in the state of Michigan for more than 180 days immediately preceding the filing of the complaint?
Yeah, we're both. I believe we're both still in Michigan. I know I'm still in Michigan.
No, I was asking before the complaint was filed, had either you or the plaintiff resided in the state of Michigan for more than 180 days immediately preceding the filing of the complaint?
Yeah.
And had either of you resided in Calhoun County for at least 10 days prior to filing the complaint?
Yeah.
The plaintiff states in the complaint that there has been a breakdown of the marital relationship to the extent the objects of matrimony have been destroyed, and there remains no reasonable likelihood that the marriage can be preserved. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe there's any chance that the two of you could reconcile and live together as husband and wife?
No.
And the judgment that was submitted for entry, do you have any disputes or do you contest any of the provisions in that judgment?
No.
Okay.
I believe if I read the divorce papers right, is we do 50-50 week to week, and nobody pays child support if I'm correct. I'm not sure.
Okay, well, I don't have the judgment in front of me, but it's the one that was submitted for entry.
Okay.
Okay, the court will find that the testimony does establish the statutory basis. There has been a showing there's been a breakdown of the marital relationship. The file does appear to be in order. The matter was properly noticed for entry. The defendant has appeared and presented proofs in this particular matter. Court will note as well that they do have front of the court approval. And as a result, the court will enter the judgment and the UCSO as submitted. Ma'am, that will conclude this case. You are divorced. Best of luck to you. I hope everything works out for you. You're free to go.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, very good.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.